Hello, I have this pedal for the welder and it has got some issues with the switch in here. This switch it's not able to be actuated by the movement of the pedal. So I'm going to take it apart to see if there's anything going on in the inside of the assembly. So let's get started. The screws are off, so I'm going to have a look. There's more screws. Okay, right. See if we can take it apart now. What do we have here is potentiometer, which is quite basic really. Got some nice heat shrink on there. I got another potentiometer in here, and this arrangement, presume that scales the voltage with another factor, and there is a total of 5 wires, so 3 for the potentiometers and then 2 for the switch. This potentiometer is no, I was just I don't know if you can see it, but when you put the pedal down, there is a friction on the side of it, and I was just looking if there is a way of adjusting this strip, but there doesn't appear so, unless I can adjust this somewhere around here. Okay, so this is very simple. There's no way of making or aligning this. I guess if there was another bracket that could be holding it and this resting on or sliding on, that would have the trick. If there was some kind of U bracket in here, that might be a potential solution. Then we are moving on to to the switch. When I looked at it initially, I thought there might be a way of it to adjusting it somehow, because from the top it appeared that maybe the reason why it's not able to go its full range of the strip on there is because it's mounted at the angle. But I've had a look at it now, and doesn't appear to be mounted at the angle. No, it does appear, if I look very carefully, it does appear to be mounted at an angle. But is it the housing that's mounted at an angle, or is that the metal? Is that this metal here? Is that it's bent out of shape? Need to have a think about that. I'm going to take off the switch, see if there is anything underneath it. Okay, that's the switch. There's a slight bend on it. Could maybe be better for a slightly different design. I could try glue a piece underneath here. Wonder if that would help. Feel some movement, but I think this is it's quite a cheap switch. The plate, there's minimum bend on it, but I don't think that should be a problem. The problem with this is if I bend this is going to bend right itself back. So if I am doing a mod on this, then I need to make it so it can work for can be quite a robust solution for this, and not just temporary one. So I've got a file, and I'm gonna see if I can file it to make it nice and smooth. I can roughly see where the mark is from the point where it's when it's touching and when it's in contact. So I'm just gonna see if I can scratch this away. In the end, what I've done is bend it sort of like this, and that seems to be working fine. So I'm gonna give that a go.